Okay, today we'll know how to create a professional resume totally free by using Canva. Okay, let's start the video. At first, you go to canva.com, then click create a design, click on resume. Okay, this is a blank surface, but left corner here is all template. Resume template is here, so you can choose from here. Okay, I'll choose this and zoom and edit all text, all images. Click effect and change the effect. Okay, this is okay. Bold, fine. Marketing manager, edit, marketing executive. Okay, then I'll change experience, expertise, education, phone number, email. All you can change. You can also change the picture. You can upload your. Okay, okay. This is okay. You can change this portion layout like color. Okay, black, and this is okay. Okay, okay. And you can also add your elements. When your editing is done, then you click share, download, PDF suggested. Okay, download. Okay, this is your resume. You can add multiple pages. So thank you very much.